Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to show you where you can find your assignment for math, lesson 0407, partial Philly fun. We're going to go ahead and click on the mathematics course. We're going to scroll down to module 4. And we're looking at lesson 0407. So I'm going to click on the lesson with the blank page icon. Boys and girls, make sure you go through this lesson. It's going to show examples of how you need to solve these multiplication problems using the different distributive property and area models. So make sure you go through this lesson, you look at the examples, maybe you work out a few examples as you're going through them. The worksheet for this assignment is on the last page, page 5. Under what is my assignment, you've got your worksheet here, partial Philly fun. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And this is a one-page worksheet. It's got 4 problems. And in the directions, it says to solve using the distributive property and area models. So boys and girls, in order to get full credit, you need to show your work using the distributive property and the area models. So if you're watching this video right now, you might be wondering what those 2 things are. Well, first things first, you're going to learn about that in your lesson. And then we're also going to look at this during our live lessons. So make sure that you go through the lesson and look and see what is the distributive property and how can you solve using area models. And you're going to need to draw those things out. So whether you're printing your worksheet or using screenshotting on your iPad, make sure you use that drawing tool to help you solve these problems. And in order to get full credit, you need to, yes, have the answer, but you also have to have your work here showing how you use the distributive property and the area models to solve these equations. If you only provide the answers, you're only going to get half credit. So let's say you did all 4 problems and you just have the answers. That means you still get a 50 on this worksheet. In order to get the full credit, yes, you need to have the answers, but you also need to show your work underneath on how you use the distributive property and the area models. And again, the lesson's going to walk you through how to use these 2 things to help solve these equations, but we'll also be going over it during our live lessons. All right, once your worksheet is done, you're going to go ahead and click on this right arrow to the next page on Buzz, and you'll come to the submission page for 0407. Click on that blue plus mark and attach your work.